Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to export the data from Excel workbook to list box by using VBA macros. Here I have data in different tabs. Data exists in this tab in 4 columns. In this tab 11 columns. Here single column, here 2 columns. Click on developer tab, click on Visual Basic. Already I created user form here. This user form consists of 1 combo box, 1 list box and 2 command buttons. So let me execute the program first. Click on export the data button. So here user form displayed on screen. Click on combo box. From the available drop down, first I am selecting 4 columns. The moment when I selected the worksheet name, application exported the data from worksheet to list box. Next I am selecting 11 columns. Here we can find all the data exported. Thereafter I am selecting single column. Next I am selecting 3 rows. Next I am selecting 2 columns. Next I am selecting 4 columns again. Now let us see how to copy the data from list box to output tab. Here I am selecting the first row. So based on my requirement I am selecting the data. Click on copy. Now selected data copied from list box to Excel worksheet. Click on Visual Basic. Click on user form. Here I am using initialize event of user form. The moment when the user form displays on screen, application displays the controls after providing below mentioned formatting features. This is the complete code. Thereafter, click on combo box. Here I am using change event of combo box. Whenever change happened in the selection, application executes this piece of code. So this piece of code is useful to copy the data from list box to Excel worksheet. Hope this template is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.